Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be telling you guys how you can make a logo animation in Adobe Premiere Pro using a template. To make a logo animation, first you need to go to the website that I'm linking in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. That is mixkit.com. You can go to this website and here you can search for the templates, and here you need to write logo and you're gonna hit enter on that. And there you go. You have to select the Premiere Pro templates. So I'm going to view all 47 logo templates. And here are the templates that you can see. So I will be teaching you guys how you can make your own customized logo animation using this template. So this one looks good. So I'm going to download this one. I'm going to click on the download free template here. As I've already downloaded this template, so I'm going to skip to that part. And once you've downloaded the template, just right click on it and click on extract here. And now you need to open this colorful logo project. And here's a template for your logo animation. Now I'm going to make some adjustments here. You can play the video to see how the animation looks like. So we will be removing this part and we will add over logo instead of this one. You just need to double click on this one. And here you need to put your own logo. As I have this logo here, that is in the PNG file and it has no background. So I'm going to place this file here. I'll be making it as long as the below one. And I'll be readjusting that so that it will be in the middle. If you can't find the effect control panel, you just need to go to Windows and here you need to click on this one. And now I'm going to reposition the logo in the center. I'm going to resize this. And that's perfect. Now I'm going to remove this one by hitting the delete key. And now let's see the final result. And there you go. Now you have made your logo animation by using a template in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions regarding this, do let us know in the comments below. If this video helps you, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.